Let's see how we can host our Drupal 8 site on a free hosting service which is provided by Pantheon. So go on Google and just write Pantheon hosting and just go click on pantheon.io link. So this is the actual site. So now they have free trial which is providing to host 2 sites for free. So just log in, and they are supporting 3 kind of CMS systems: WordPress, Drupal 8 and Drupal 7, but we are going to use Drupal 8 for this video. So just log in. You can log in with a Google account or you can log in with email. I'm going to log in with Google account. So after we logged in, we will see the dashboard, and from here we can create site and migrate site. So now I'm going to create a new site. It will open up a new tab. Just write the name of your site. I'm going to write Solutions Spirit CMS and click on continue. Keep this United States. So from here we have to select a CMS system which we want to use. So I'm going to select Drupal 8. So just click on deploy. So now it's configuring our Drupal 8 site. It might take some time, so we have to wait for that. So it's completed. Let's visit the dashboard. So here we go. Our Drupal 8 site has been successfully hosted, and you can use, if you want to connect with SFTP, you can connect by using these credentials. And now simply go on site admin and let's configure our Drupal 8. So it's 8.8.5 version. I'm going to select English. Just select standard and click on save and continue. So it's installing some modules, some files, some internal settings, everything. So just wait for that. So it's completed 100%. Now the next step is to configure the site, and we have to provide some information about our site. Here you go. So just write the name of your site. I'm going to write Solution Spirit and email address, and this username will be the username for our admin panel user, and you can say the admin user. So just I'm going to use admin for now. Let's say I'm going to use Solution Spirit. Okay, and the password. Confirm password, and you have to click on save and continue. Of our Drupal 8 site, it has been installed and hosted successfully, and this is the URL for our hosting service. So it's easy to use. So first thing you have to do is just change the layout and go on extend. This is just a quick note, and from here you might not see this install new module button. So just click on update script, and that's it. Just go on administrator page, and after doing that you would able to see this install module button, and from here you can install the modules and all these stuffs. So this is a quick knowledge about how you can install and host Drupal 8 site for free using Pantheon. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.